If you wish to save your business from printing costs and present a digital menu to your customers, meet our advanced QR menu system. With Akınsoft QR menu, you can create your branches and add table groups and tables according to the branch structure. You can create menus that you can show in several languages and currencies, with specified options, calories, preparation time, allergen information, and labels. You can categorize your products, determine your product variations, and enrich your products visually by adding photos and videos. You can take orders not only in your restaurant, but also outside the restaurant by specifying the order area. Also receive your orders via WhatsApp using the WhatsApp feature. View the reports of all your orders on a single panel. You can forward your advertisements and announcements to your customers via QR menu. Provide a feedback feature to evaluate the services they receive. Increase your access by showing your social media links on the QR menu page. You can offer your customers the functionality of requesting a bill, calling a waiter, and wallet on your QR menu, which you can customize with your own domain address, banner, and logo. Finally, you can easily manage all the processes of your restaurant by integrating your QR menu system with our advanced Volvox restaurant program.